Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video where I'm going to unwrap Ducky Frozen Llama desk pad from Mechanical Keyboards Company. You could see one of my previous video where I've been unboxing Ducky Mecha Mini version 2 Frozen Llama keyboard. If not, open the link in top right corner in the new tab of your browser to watch it later. And within the same package there was one more thing except the keyboard to review, and that would be the desk pad or mouse pad in 2XL size with Frozen Llama design on it. As you can see, the desk pad is nicely packed in plastic rope bag instead of simple paper box which you'll throw away instantly. We can already notice the stitching on the desk pad edge, and you can see it is nice and full stitching, and it is absolutely symmetrical around the entire edge. We'll look into it in details in one of the next chapter. The plastic rope bag is soft on touch, almost like a fabric, and next level obviously would be the nice fabric rope bag, but then our store desk pad might not be spared against the humidity causing structural distortion. Now let me unroll the desk pad on my unboxing desk and we'll review the full design. The desk pad size is 2XL, which is 36 inches by 16 inches, which is 914mm length and 406mm in width, and it is 4mm thick. It is covered by micro texture cloth, assuring very good speed for your mouse but also excellent comfort for your wrists. And this is the full design of the desk pad. We could see snow-covered cliffs on the left side with purple-pink trees, then iced sea in the middle, nice clouds on the top, and another cliff on the right side where is sitting our lucky llama with nice scarf around the neck. To my opinion, this desk pad might be the best desk pad for Fortnite players, as it has a loot llama as part of the design, and you might know that in Fortnite it is a good luck to find a llama in the game. Llama will give you the extra loot in the form of extra shield, ammo, but mainly the building materials which otherwise you would have to farm for a long time. That all brings you closer to the win. And even if you are not Fortnite player, this desk pad brings the optimism to your desk setup, and Llama will guard the best mouse you have on your desk. Now this is how the desk setup would look like with 60% keyboard and Logitech G Pro X Superlight on it. If you have not seen unboxing of that one, open the new tab in your browser with the link in top right corner. And I'm testing the mouse gliding here on the desk pad, and even though I would never rotate it in this way during my work or gaming, but at least we can see how the mouse smoothly glides on the desk pad. Now let me position the keyboard into the best angle and let's do a little bit of sound test of mouse gliding on the desk pad. So that was the sound test, and you could notice I have increased the volume so that we can hear the details of gliding and dampening. Now let's have a look into the edge stitching quality. And as you can see, the stitching is rich and full, and it is symmetrical around the entire edge. There are no strings fraying out from the stitching, and even at the bottom of the desk pad the stitching is in excellent quality. The stitching is a little bit over the surface but nothing major. It is comfortable for the skin and soft on touch. Now let's test how mouse will glide a little bit over the edge stitching, and there is a little bit of resistance. Not a full stop for a mouse, but you'll notice it and it will warn you that you are reaching the edge and reposition of mouse is needed. Now let's have a closer look to the cloth cover, and you can see that the fabric pattern looks like diagonally oriented even though the knitting is horizontal. That assures same speed for horizontal and vertical movement of the mouse. Now let's have a closer look to the rubber base, and you can see that there is again diagonal pattern which assures the stability in horizontal and vertical movement and control of mouse in diagonal movement as well. It is scratchy to grip to any desk surface, and you can see it moves a little bit on the spot where you are putting pressure to, but the entire desk pad is not moving at all and stays in place. Now in terms of the mushiness of the rubber base, you can see that applying the pressure by finger it seems soft, so it definitely gives enough control to your wrist when you are on high DPI. However, you won't manage to go that deep with mouse bottom base due to larger surface. One thing to point out is that given that the desk pad has been rolled while being delivered in the package, it needs 1 or 2 days to lay down properly on your desk. It is 2XL size, so we cannot expect the same as from small artisan mousepads which are being delivered unrolled. And if you are interested in artisan mousepad unboxing, hit the subscribe button to do not miss it. And now let me put aside the Logitech G Pro X Superlight mouse and also my Dakimeka Mini version 2 60% keyboard from the deskpad. Luckily it has a detachable cable so I can very easily shift it around, and I can roll the 1/0 Dissipate deskpad and store it in the box. If you have not seen the unboxing of that one, open the new tab with the link appearing in the top right corner. Let me put on my desk the Mechanical Keyboard's Frozen Llama deskpad and we can check how the full desk setup will look like. But before that, let's quickly compare the rubber bottom base with 1/0 Dissipate cloth deskpad, and you can see it is almost identical. So this is pretty much quality standard on the market to assure the stability of the deskpad on our PC desks. And we can review how the full setup looks like. So my final thoughts is that it is really best looking deskpad and it really makes the PC setup clean, fresh and good looking. I was really bored with monotone black colored deskpad, and even though this deskpad would not get the seal of approval for top tier deskpad from Boardzy, a mousepad guru, it definitely gets my design kudos to Mechanical Keyboards company for being brave and put an actual design on the deskpad. And the very last big plus of this deskpad is that it shines the positivity and you are going to have a pet as a companion during work or gaming. And by petting my llama, until my next video, cheers!